Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is December the 2nd. We are out here in Smyrna, Georgia. We didn't have any jobs this week starting last week, Sunday. We already have 4, maybe 5 already. So this is a new client that actually found me online. I came out about a month ago and did a consultation. She was moving it into the house, getting other stuff done, painting, things like that. So I always want the floor guy to be the last person. We also have 2 consultations when we live here, one in Atlanta for a move-in and also one in Loganfield for a contractor who's installing a new floor, just want us to finish it. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is an engineered floor screen. There's a lot of residue on this floor and also the countertops. A lot of times when I give people my brochures and they see the countertop pamphlet, they'll say, oh, let me go ahead and get the countertops done as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Smyrna, Georgia. It's a beautiful pool right there. Nice. So these are the floors we're going to be doing. I'm just testing some of my pads. I think I know which one but if you look really close, let me show you guys. Look at all that residue on the floor. Okay, so it's not wax, it's a residue. So I'm going to just dry, and I've already tested. See right there? See right there, guys? See the difference? Okay. So we're going to be doing all of this right here. Also going to be doing these countertops. These are granite countertops. All of this. Let me see this wood in here. Yeah, little closet. Throughout the kitchen here. Also want to add some color back to that area right there. This, all of this. Also going to be doing the stairs. We're going to screen and recoat the stairs. It is 13 stairs. All of this right here, this area right here. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Knock all that off. And then this room right here. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Engineer floor, Satin faded, now they looking brand new clean. Screen and Recoat with a Truman touch, smooth like R&B. Conch strings in the back while we work, yeah, the client saw the quality. Grilling the tops, dull and dusty, now they shine like they alive. Clean buff, polish and seal, watch that gloss start to rise. Dollars online, reputation strong, reviews don't lie at all. Truman's in the building, baby, answering every call. Tall while the country string play, and the R&B sway. 80s hip-hop kicks in, 808s, knocking all day. Truman investment, drones in the rhythm, got the fire in the beat. Truman inventing, spinning, making every floor and countertop elite. Yeah, Truman inventing, screen, Recoat countertops. We bring that heat. Tap tap with the sander like a snare from me. Sit, and a shaker from the Latin side and spice into the mix. Man, watching like wow, floors glowing like the sun. When you book the hour wizard, you get the job done. Granny looking nice, floor looking glossy. Truman on the rise, ain't nobody else topping. Skill mixed with passion, that high level craft. Country strum in the left, or hip hop boom in the back. Yeah.
Look at how these things are on me. Because that's the floor. That's the floors. I tell you, there's 2 things that people pay attention to: the floor and the walls. Yep. Yeah.
because they may not get up there, but you're right. They'll
Yep.
definitely get to where their eyes can
Yes,
be.
ma'am. Let's go take a
Oh,
look.
Exactly, that's what I want to do.
Yes. Oh, God. Yep. All right, guys. Check it out. I'm back. Look at that. Y'all.
You got some prints still.
Huh? No, they're just from the moisture. I'm here with my client, and look at these floors now. Look at these floors now. Beautiful. She went with a satin finish, not too shiny, because she has a lot of light that come in her house. So that's one thing I do too, guys. I educate my clients. Since she has so much light, and as you can see, this is not even a sunny day. So we went with a satin finish where the glare is not too hard on the floor. So we want a nice satin finish. Look at them countertops, man. Guys, look at the reflection. You see, look at the microwave. Look at the cabinets, okay? You couldn't even see this before we started. Look at the window right here. From right there. Look at that. Nice. Miss Juju has said wow about 15 times, so I think we did a great job. And you guys saw the floors before, just full of residue. Thank you. You're welcome. Yes. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Me and Tavares, we're about to go grab a little lunch. We got 2 consultations. Miss Juju, I know you're gonna enjoy this pool. This is a beautiful pool.
You think so?
Oh yeah, I like it. It's not too big, enough just for a few people. How deep does it go? Do you know?
About 6 feet.
6 feet. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah.
Small enough to enjoy.
Yeah.
Not big enough for the castles.
Came out good, T. Shout out to T, my assistant. He has really gotten good with the countertops. So while I'm doing the floors, he's doing the countertops, and makes the process so much easier. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. And like I said, guys, this is an engineered floor. This floor cannot be sanded. The only option she would have had to replace. But again, with our screen and recoat system, floors came out immaculate. All right, guys. And then also the stairs. All right. See you in the next one. Remember all those scuff marks at the beginning? All gone.